Okay, 3 things you want to look for on quizzes if you're having any issues. When you go to these 3 bubbles up here to the right, click on here, go to Edit Test Settings, then go to Options. The 3 things we're looking for. You want this to be without penalty. If it goes with penalty, it means it's counting off 2 times as many points for some reason. So you want to make sure it says without penalty. Then when you come down here, it says attempts, number of attempts is unlimited. And then show answer to participant, you want that to be never, since it's unlimited amount of responses for these slotted notes. Now on the video quizzes, this is just 1 attempt, and then you can show the answers afterwards. But for the slotted notes where they can repeat, you want to make sure that they can have the unlimited attempts, and then you're going to hit save down here. If you had already put if you'd already calculated some grades, it will recalculate for you, and that's fine, especially if it's you're changing from with penalty to without penalty. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.